What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the AM. Welcome to 5 Minute Rants. I'm your host, Michael Abernathy, and welcome to the show predicated on the journey of life and business. I've got a special guest with us here today. You can say hello.
Hello.
Kira Abernathy, my wife. You've heard me talk about her before. All good things, I promise.
Thank you.
I know you listen to the show.
I do. I love it.
So, everybody, I asked Kira to come on the show because we were talking about why it's okay to ask for help, and I would actually like to let her talk about her experience with this.
Oh yeah, absolutely. So I've been an attorney for like a decade now. Wow. And the first 7 years of my attorney practice, being a solo, I really thought, I am the attorney. I've got to do this myself. Michael actually offered to help me a ton, and I was like, no, it's okay. I know what I'm doing. I can do this. And lo and behold, it turns out I had no idea what I was doing. I did not do this, and I literally ran my business into the ground for the first 7 years. And at the end of 7 years, I really had to wake up and say, okay, I've done it the same way for 7 years, and it's gotten me literally nothing to show for it, other than the Harvard degree in stupidity, as Michael likes to say. But when I really humbled myself and said, you know what, Michael, you're not an attorney, but you know a lot more about business than I do. You know a lot more about life than I do. Can you please help me? And I mean, you really did. And you helped me along with other people, Andrew and other people in my life that helped who are not attorneys, and then even some who were attorneys. And because of that, just the past 2 years, I mean, this is the best it's ever been for business, for life, for the law firm. And I think, I just want to stand on my little soapbox and say, it is okay to ask for help. You do not have to be the superhero in your business, even if it's people that don't quote unquote do the same things you do. Actually, it's better, right? Because you were able to show me, and everyone else was able to show me a different perspective and help me not just keep doing the same things that kept me in my rut and actually ran my business to the ground.
So what you're saying is pride is pretty lethal.
Yes, very.
But humility actually opens up the door to move forward.
Yes, I think that is a great way to say that.
What else would you add about that? What else would you add about asking for help?
I mean, just even in little things in life, when I ask for help, I have never had someone say, I'm not going to help you. Who are you to ask for help? I really haven't. People are like, wow, I really want to help. Wow, you're humble and you're actually asking me for help. Like, I'll ask younger lawyers for help, especially people who do things in fields I don't do. They've only been out for a year or two, but they know more than I do. Hey, could you help me with this problem that my client has? And everyone is so kind that maybe I've just been lucky in that, but everyone's really always willing and able to help. And then of course I do the same. If someone's willing to help, I don't mind talking to you for an hour. So just asking is really key in anything, little things and the big things.
I think that's pretty true though. I think people like to help. It feels good to help people. And I think it's more personally a fear of, oh no, I want to look bad. Like people don't ask for help because we don't want to look bad. I mean, I don't know. Talk about your side of things. What was your mindset before asking about things?
I mean, definitely the not want to look bad. Like I just didn't want to face the fact that when I looked at my life, it was not where I wanted to be. And the closer I got to those 7 years, the further away it looked from where I wanted to be. And that was really hard because I had to come to you, my husband, for more than 7 years at the time, because we met when I was in law school and got married when I was in law school, and be like, hey, honey, this isn't working. I am not doing well. And can you please help? I mean, that is hard to face that.
It's interesting because it was hard for you to face, but yet I knew the whole time. I'm married to you. I know when your life is on fire because my life's on fire. And so it's interesting though, that whole trap of, I don't want to look bad or don't want to be wrong. And it seems to be pretty universal.
Yeah, and I think, being a lawyer and needing to show, and maybe this is for other people in other professions too, but I know in my profession, you have to look the part, know the part, be the expert, know what to do. And I think that really, I let that hinder me. I didn't have to. I allowed it to hinder me and not ask for help because, like you said, didn't want to look bad.
That's true. Well, I think that goes for any profession. I'm going to run over. But I think that goes for any profession. Everybody wants to look the part, but you're already in it. You already are the part. Just saying that.
No, that's
Well,
good.
well, guys, we're out of time. Thanks for coming, Kira. Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Thanks for having me.
Thanks for sharing your time with us. And I'll catch you guys later. Peace.